Well, happy Labor Day, everyone. I went to work this morning. I was the only one there. Nobody told me that we weren't working today. So it looks like I got to figure out what to do. I'll figure something out to do today, especially like in the mid-90s. We got a heat wave coming through here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I think Thursday, all in the 90s. It's nice to have a day off, but nicer to know I could have slept in for an extra hour or so. Maybe I'll mess with the brakes on the motorhome. Well, here's today's project. I'm going to defrost, I guess, and clean my fridge and freezer. As you can see, I haven't done this in a year. I usually do it every 6 months. It's in pretty bad shape. It's getting really dirty. There's ice up in there. So how I do this, I emptied everything out into the sink. Now I'll get a hair dryer. I do have towels here that I'm going to put down in here first to catch some of this. I'm not level right now, so that's not going to work. Oh, I got to turn the fridge off too. Oh, you bastard. Connected to a GFI, so if it does get wet, it'll trip. I like to take these out, clean them out. That'll be last. I'll be cleaning with Clorox cleaner and bleach. Smells so much better. Always have to clean where it seals. You want to get that real good. Get a good seal. Putting this rubber up here. That stuff gets dirty very, very easily. And all the grooves. Nice and clean. Stuff. That's nasty. The hell is that? I think that was that big block of ice that was in their fridge port. I gotta hurry up before I have a floor full of water. Oh, there goes it. I'd say the freezer's pretty good. We'll take a clean part of this though. Well, there's the after on the freezer. All melted down, cleaned up, looking good, seals are good. See what that big noise was. Oh, that's what I thought it was. Yikes. Holy heck. Oh, that's heavy. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, that's a lot of ice. In a month from now, that's what it's going to look like on the roads outside. Holy heck, it broke my rack. Well, I got lucky on that. Another piece there. Man, maybe it's been more than a year. I can probably turn this on now and start cleaning it. water to be coming out. Well, I'm still working on the seals. The fridge is definitely a lot nicer in there. I'm cleaning off these nasty rubber seals. Well, it took about a half hour. I mean, the only thing I really keep in the freezer is my chicken and ice. Down here in the fridge, you know, they're clean. They're clean as I want to get them. There's a couple spots there and there that won't come off. They're clean these. I don't use them, but I just clean them anyway. In fact, what I usually do is lift this up and so you can't even, they won't open at all. Because what happens is whatever's in this pocket here pushes against them, and that's why I have this on here to keep them locked. All I really have in here is water, cheese, wraps, tortillas, eggs, tea, condiments, and orange juice. Oh, my applesauce. Can't forget that. So I really don't even use, I could probably use a fridge that's half the size. No, that's not the refrigerator that's original to this RV. This is actually out of a boat, about the same era boat. So it is a 35-year-old fridge. If any of you saw my first video, the day I got the motorhome, my refrigerator caught on fire when I was trying to turn it on. So I'm going to let this get back up to speed, put the thermometer back in, and that's how you defrost an older refrigerator in an RV. It's a little more difficult than in a house because you have to use a lot of towels or paper towels or something to catch that water. I wasn't expecting that big block, that big chunk of ice there to fall off, but I waited too long to clean it. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Well, now I'm going to the store. I have to get some stuff for my next project. Little hint, it's a crappy project.